Hello friends! Welcome to Mgs Tales, where learning is always fun. Today, we're going to learn 10 colors with some amazing cars. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a red car. Red like an apple. Can you say red? R-E-D, red. Great job! Wow! Look at this blue car. Blue like the sky. Say it with me. Blue. Fantastic. Here comes a green car. Green like the grass and the leaves. Can you say green? Well done. Look, a yellow car. Yellow like the bright sun. Say yellow. Excellent work! This car is orange, just like an orange fruit. Can you say orange? Perfect! Here's a pink car. Pink like a flower. Say pink. Beautiful! This is a purple car. Purple like grapes. Can you say purple? Great job! Wow! A black car. Black like the night. Say black. Awesome! Look at the white car. White like snow. Can you say white? You're amazing! This is a brown car. Brown like chocolate. Say brown. Fantastic! Let's play a quick color quiz. What color is this car? Yes, it's red. And this one? Correct. Green. How about this one? Perfect. Pink. You're doing amazing. Let's say them all together. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, black, white, brown. Wow! You know them all! Great job, friends! You learned 10 colors today with cars. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you can learn more fun things every week on Mgs Tales. See you next time! Bye-bye!